Hey, what's going on? This is comedian Shula King. In lieu of these recent shootings, I feel like I need to say something that a lot of people are afraid to say. And that is that we need to defend ourselves. In this country, we have a right to defend ourselves. If you are an African American in this country, then you would be crazy not to acknowledge the fact that there are people in this country who do not value your humanity, that want to violate your humanity. I'm not an animal. I'm a black man. I am a human being, and I will be treated as such. I don't request or demand that I will be treated as a human being. You will respect my humanity in this country, on this day, in this present time, right now, from this day forward. I don't care how you feel about me. If you think that I am a threat, then you need to put distance between myself and you. That's why I'm saying we need to learn how to defend ourselves. That's not a violation of the Constitution. And I know everybody says, well, what about black on black violence? What about white on white violence? What about Mexican on Mexican violence, or Latino on Latino violence, or Asian on Asian violence? So 85% of black men are killed by other black people, and 83% of white people that are killed by other white people. That doesn't give me the right to take your life because there's homicide in your community or violence or whatever. That doesn't give you the right to take my life. Whatever you think about me, however you feel, I don't care about how you feel towards me. I care about how you treat me. I will defend myself. I will defend my children. I will defend my woman. Yes, black men, we need to do better defending our community. Not just ourselves, our community. It's time to draw the line in the sand. I don't care how you feel about this. It's past time to draw the line in the sand. This isn't for everybody. Everybody does not feel the way some people feel, but for those of you who do, for those of you who do not value me as a human being, or people of color, if you do not look at people of color as human beings, if you feel like they're less than and you feel like you have the right to take the life or commit violent acts of hatred towards people of color or anybody, I'm saying right now, I will defend myself. This country says I have a right to do that. I'm saying it. All these other tactics and all the other stuff, hey, look, the singing and the marching and okay, that's fine. They expect you to do that. It's time to stand up and be men. It's time for us to stand up, draw the line in the sand, and say, that's enough. That is enough. Now, as far as capitalists who are not listening to what we are saying, easiest way to get to them, lighten up their pockets. Stop spending your money with them. Bet you they'll start listening then. Feel how you want to feel. We need to organize, strategize, take control of our community on all aspects. I'm tired of our community having food that's not even high quality, full of chemicals, can barely get health care. This is too much. It's past time. It's past time. I'm saying what a lot of you people need to be saying and what a lot of y'all are thinking. I don't care. Nothing. There's no price worth my humanity. You can say whatever it is you want to say. Feel how you want to feel. I am a man and I am a human being. Point blank, period. And you will treat me as such. If not, make distance.